In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Proton VPN on Windows 11 so you can browse securely and access content safely. First, open your browser and go to the Proton VPN website. Once you're on the home page, click on the Get Proton VPN button. After that, you'll be asked to choose a plan. From here, select the Proton Free plan and then click on Get Proton Free. When you click on Get Proton Free, you'll see a pop-up offering to upgrade to VPN Plus for €1. Simply skip that by clicking on Continue with Free. Next, you'll be prompted again to select a pricing plan. Scroll down and click on Sign Up for Free, located at the bottom right of the page. You'll then be redirected to the Create Your Account page. Here, enter your email address and click on Start Using Proton VPN. After that, you'll land on a thank you page where it will say that your account is being created. Once that's done, Proton VPN will ask you to set your password. You can either use the automatically generated password or click on Choose My Own Password. I'll select Choose My Own Password, type my desired password, confirm it, and then click on Set New Password. After setting the password, you'll be redirected to the Proton VPN page where it says Download Proton VPN. Click on the Download button and it will take you to another page showing all available versions of the Proton VPN app for different devices. Here, click on Download for Windows and you'll see a drop-down menu with several options, including Windows 11 or 1064-bit, ARM 64-bit, and a few 32-bit versions. Since my system is 64-bit, I'll choose the Windows 11 or 1064-bit version, and the download will begin. Once the download finishes, open the setup.exe file to start the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. It's simple and takes only a few minutes. After the installation is complete, open the Proton VPN app. It will ask you to sign in, so log in using the email and password you created earlier. Once you're signed in, you'll see the main Proton VPN interface showing a map, available servers, and connection options. To connect, click on the Quick Connect button. This will automatically connect you to the fastest available server in the free plan regions such as the United States, Japan, or the Netherlands. Your IP address will change, and your internet traffic will now be encrypted. If you want to switch to a different server, click on the Change Server option. You can select another available region within the free plan. Keep in mind, there's a short cooldown period, usually around a minute and a half before reconnecting. Proton VPN also includes helpful features like Kill Switch, which blocks internet access if the VPN connection drops, and Net Shield, which helps block ads, malware, and trackers. You can find and enable these options from the Settings menu to enhance your security. And that's it! You've successfully created your Proton VPN account, installed it on Windows 11, and connected to a secure VPN server. If you want even faster speeds and more reliable connections, I'd recommend trying NordVPN. It's one of the best options out there. You'll find the link in the description below to get started and grab an exclusive discount on your plan.